Hello friends, welcome to Affairs Cloud. We learn to lead. My name is Vikas. So friends, let's start with our video. In today's video, we'll be looking at the important books and authors of the January month. I know learning books and authors can be a little bit tricky, but trust me, after watching the whole video till the end, you will be able to memorize them easily. The information provided in the question is in one-liner format, like who released the book, what is the name of the publication by which it was published, or the author of the name and the book itself. So these are the important details you need to remember while preparing for books and authors. So let's start with our session. Like the video, share it with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then do subscribe. But before that, we have something interesting to tell you about. We have an app by the name Careers Cloud, which you can go and download through the Play Store. Once you have downloaded the app, you will open the app and you will see this type of screen. In this, you can go and log in with your Google account, that is your Gmail ID. Then once you have logged in, then you will be moved to the this page where you can see a window. If you click on the current affairs section here, then you will be moved to this page. Now this is where magic happens. This is the course where there are two courses provided by us. First, you should know it is of 1 year and 2 years. So choose your course accordingly. What we are providing and what is the reason behind that you should purchase course of current affairs from us, and what are the important details about it. First thing you should know that we provide you current affairs in both English and Hindi. Okay. Also, we provide you here current affairs daily. PDFs are provided daily. The important factor here to remember is we are providing PDF to you daily. Okay, that contains question answers of the daily current affairs. They are explained in a much easy way where you can grasp the knowledge and do your revision. Okay, apart from app, we provide you with question answers. Then on every day we provide you 20 question answers quiz, daily 20 questions quiz. So imagine how much it will benefit you in your preparation. Then we provide you same thing for weekly. In weekly we take a quiz of 50 questions. Then question answers of week, we provide you a book. PDF is provided you weekly of the compiled questions of the whole week. Similarly for monthly also, ebook is given, your quizzes are taken, question answers PDF. Then apart from it, we also help you to prepare for banking papers. All the banking exams you can go refer to our videos and our courses here. You can see here the we provide you banking and economic quiz of 157 questions. Okay, then topic wise PDFs are covered. As you can see, we are making videos on indexes and reports, important days, the books and authors, all the events that are taking place in individual months. So these PDFs are provided to you and they will help you a lot in your preparation for journal awareness, your journal studies, as well as for current affairs. Then you can see we also provide you current affairs for state wise current affairs are provided to you. All you have to do is go and purchase the course. If you are a new aspirant, you can take course for 2 years, and if you are a previous aspirant and you have continued your preparation, then you can choose the course as per your wish. Another additional information you should know while buying the course, if you use the code Vikas10, and we have bought this code just for you, use the code Vikas10 and my friends, you will be getting straight 10% discount on the purchase you made. So you can save a lot of money by using our code Vikas10. Let's move to our video now. So let's start with the books and authors. The first book of the January month is our Right Under Your Nose. The first book is Right Under Your Nose. Alright, and this book, Right Under Your Nose, has been authored by whom? Who is the author of this book? The name of the author is R. Giridharan. R. Giridharan. Alright, then who is R. Giridharan? He is the RBI manager. RBI manager. Also remember that this is his first book or his first debut book. His debut book. Debut means his first book. Alright, R. Giridharan, RBI manager, author of Right Under Your Nose. Then if we talk about the publication, Published by whom? It was published by Rupa Publications of India Private Limited. Rupa Publications India Private Limited. All right under your nose. Then moving on to the next. Next book is your India's 71 test. I repeat, this is your India's 71-year test, The Journey to Triumph in Australia. The Journey to Triumph in Australia. Alright, then who is the author of this book? The author of this book is R. Kaushik. Author is R. Kaushik. Then this book was released by Ravi Shastri ji. Released by Ravi Shastri ji, where this was released in Sydney Cricket Stadium. In Sydney Cricket Stadium. Alright, India's 71-year test, The Journey to Triumph in Australia, authored by R. Kaushik, released by Ravi Shastri ji in Sydney Cricket Stadium, and the name of the publication is Churchill Press. Churchill Press. Alright, then they remember that this book describes about the 12 tours of India to Australia. 12 tour of Indian cricket team to Australia. Alright, India's 71-year test, The Journey to Triumph in Australia. Moving on to the next. The next book is your Making of a General, a Himalayan Eco. I repeat, Making of a General, a Himalayan Eco. Who was the author of this book? The author of this book is Lieutenant General Kanchan Himalayan Singh. Lieutenant General Kanchan Himalaya Singh. Alright, Lieutenant General Kanchan Himalaya Singh is the author of the book Making of a General, a Himalayan Eco. And this book has been released by whom? This book was released by the Governor of Manipur, that is Dr. Namja Heptula. Governor of Manipur, that is Dr. Najma Heptula. Alright, then if we talk about the publication, the publication was Konark Publishers Private Limited. Alright, then remember this, that Lieutenant General Kanchan Himalayan Singh has been awarded with the Yudh Seva Medal. Has been awarded with Yudh Seva Medal for his service during Kargil War. Also remember that he is the first military officer from Manipur to reach the rank of Brigadier and Major General. Alright, we are talking about Lieutenant General Kanchan Himalayan Singh. Moving on to next. Next book will be discussing Gazing Eastwards. Gazing Eastwards of Buddhist monks and revolutionaries in China. Gazing Eastwards of Buddhist monks and revolutionaries in China. And revolutionaries in China. Alright, who is the author of this book? The author of this book is Romila Thapar ji. Romila Thapar ji. Alright, and she is a professor at JNU. Remember, she is a professor at JNU, New Delhi. Jawaharlal Nehru University at New Delhi. Alright, some of the books written by her are A History of India. A History of India, volume 1966. All right. And another book she wrote was Ancient Indian Social History. Ancient Indian Social History. Apart from this, remember that she refused to take Padma Bhushan award. She refused to take Padma Bhushan award twice. That too twice she refused it, in 1992 and in 2005. She refused it because she wanted an award in her own work. According to his work, she wanted an award, but this is a state award, so she ignored that. She said that she won't be receiving this Padma Bhushan award, and this happened twice in 1992 and 2005. All right, then moving on to the next. Next book is related to your Manohar Parikar ji. All right, so the name of the book is Manohar Parikar, Off the Record. All right, Manohar Parikar, Off the Record. Who authored this book? The author of this book is Vaman Subha Prabhu. All right, Vaman Subha Prabhu. And this book was released by, who released this book? This book was released by CM of Goa. And the CM of Goa is Pramod Sawant ji. Also remember, Manohar Parikar was also the CM of Goa from 2017 to 2019, but due to some things he died in 2019. Due to his death in 2019, CM was changed. So he was also serving as the CM from 2017 to 2019. Manohar Parikar ji. And the name of the book is Manohar Parikar, Off the Record, which is authored by Vaman Subha Prabhu, and this book is released by the CM of Goa, that is Pramod Sawant ji. All right, next book is your Flying Bird. Next book is your Flying Blind, not bird, Flying Blind. Flying Blind, India's Quest for Global Leadership. India's Quest for Global Leadership. This is the name of the book, Flying Blind, India's Quest for Global Leadership. Who is the author of this book? Author's name is Mohammad Jeesan. Mohammad Jeesan ji. All right, Mohammad Jeesan ji is the author of Flying Blind, India's Quest for Global Leadership, and he is the editor-in-chief of Freedom Gazette. He is the editor-in-chief of Freedom Gazette. All right, and this book was released, or the publication's name is Penguin Random House. All right, Penguin Random House is the name of the publication. Then moving on to the next. Apart from this, yes, remember one more book by the name Unscripted Conversations on Life and Cinema. This book was authored by two persons, Vidhu Vinod Chopra. Vidhu Vinod Chopra and Abhijit Joshi ji. Abhijit Joshi ji. They both co-authored this book by the name Unscripted Conservation of Life and Cinema. Then remember who is the name of the publisher. The name of the publisher or the publication is Penguin E-Bury Press. Penguin E-Bury Press. All right. Then moving on to the next. Next book is your India 2030. I repeat, next book is your India 2030, The Rise of a Rajasic State. The Rise of a Rajasic Nation. All right, India 2030, The Rise of a Rajasic Nation. The author is Gautam Chikarmane. Gautam Chikarmane ji. All right, and Gautam Chikarmane ji is the Vice President of Observer Research Foundation. He is the Vice President of Observer Research Foundation. All right, who released this book? If we talk about publication, the name of the publication is Penguin Ebury Press. Penguin Ebury Press. All right, and another, if we look at some books written by Gautam ji, is first is 70 Policies That Shaped India. 70 Policies That Shaped India. And the second one is remember this only, this one is important, 70 Policies That Shaped India. All right, so this was your India 2030, The Rise of a Rajasic Nation. Moving on to next is your Race with Me. The next book we'll be looking at is Race with Me. Who is the author of this book? The name of the author is, there are two persons, Andre de Grasse and Robert Budd. This book is specifically for 6 to 12 or 6 to 10 years of children, and this book was released by Scholastic Canada in English and French. Released by Scholastic Canada in English and French too. All right, then moving on to the next book. Today's last book we'll be looking at is Soumitra Chatterjee. Soumitra Chatterjee. All right, Soumitra Chatterjee, A Life in Cinema, Theatre, Poetry and Painting. A Life in Cinema, Theatre, Poetry and Painting. This book was written by whom? The author of this book is Arjun Sen Gupta and Partha Mukherjee. There are two authors, Arjun Sen Gupta and Partha Mukherjee. All right, they both co-authored this book, Soumitra Chatterjee, A Life in Cinema, Theatre and Poetry and Painting. You can see the person in this picture. He is Soumitra Chatterjee. All right, let's go and revise all the books and authors once again. The first one is Right Under Your Nose, authored by R. Giridharan. He is the RBI manager, and this is his first debut book, means this is his first book. It was published by Rupa Publications India Private Limited. Next book is our India's 71-year test, The Journey to the Triumph in Australia. It was authored by R. Kaushik, released by Ravi Shastriji in Sydney Cricket Stadium, and the publication's name was Churchill Press. This tells about the 12 tours of Indian cricket team to Australia. Next book is your Making of a General, A Himalayan Echo, authored by Lieutenant General Kansam Himalaya Singh, released by Governor of Manipur, Dr. Namja Heptullah, and the publication's name was Konark Publishers Private Limited. And remember, this person, that is the Lieutenant General Kansam Himalayan Singh, has been honored with the Youth Seva Medal for his services during Kargil War. Next is your Gazing Eastwards of Buddhist Monks and Revolutionaries in China. This book is authored by Romila Thaparji. She is a professor at JNU New Delhi. She has been rejected Padma Bhushan twice in 1992 and 2005 because she wanted a medal or she wanted award in her own field. And then remember, some of the books written by her are A History of India, volume 1996, and Ancient Indian Social History. Next is your Manohar Parikar ji off the record. This book has been written or authored by Vaman Subha Prabhu ji. This book was released by the CM of Goa, Pramod Sawant ji. Also remember, Manohar Parikar has served as the CM of Goa, that is the Chief Minister of Goa, from 2017 to 2019, and Manohar Parikar ji died in 2019. All right. Then moving on to next. Next is your Flying Blind, India's Quest for Global Leadership. This book is authored by Mohammad Jashin. This book has been authored by, let me correct, it is Jishan. This book has been authored by Mohammad Jishan, and who is the editor in chief of Freedom Gazette, and the name of the publication for the Flying Blind is Penguin Random House. All right. Then apart from this, remember another book by the name Unscripted Conversation on Life and Cinema. This was co-authored by two persons, Vidhu Vinod Chopra ji and Abhijit Joshi ji. The name of the publisher is Penguin Ebury Press. Then moving on to the next book, that is India 2030, The Rise of a Rajasic Nation. The author of this book is Gautam Chikarmane ji. He is the Vice President of Observer Research Foundation, and the publication's name was Penguin Ebury Press. Also remember a book, that is 70 Policies That Shaped India, was written by Gautam Chikarmane ji. Then the second last book for the day is Race with Me. Authors are Andre de Grasse and Robert Bird. This book is for 6 to 10 years children, and the name of the publication is Scholastic Canada, and it was in English and French. The last book for the day is Sumitra Chatterjee, A Life in Cinema, Theatre, Poetry and Painting. Authors were Arjun Sen Gupta ji and Pratha Mukherjee. Consider this a most important book. Remember it. Alright, so this was your session for the day. I hope you liked it. It was a one-liner session, and if you haven't liked the video, do like it, share it with your friends, and if you are new to channel, subscribe it, as it will motivate us to make better videos for you. This is Vikas signing off.